Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just put a video out there on a new video, kind of on text a path and how you can write on your path instead of putting a line and going up the text and text a path. You can actually start writing. But also in this video, I've turned on under View. I've turned on my alignment guidelines, and that'll somewhat help you. In a lot of cases, it'll help you a little bit in this. So we're just going to get our text tool. And I don't know if you can see those alignment guidelines already pop up, but it kind of tells you when you're aligned or not. And I've got my text to path writing symbol up, so I'm just going to left click my mouse and I'm going to start typing fit text to path fit. I just took some words so kind of prove a point. And I'm trying to watch the screen and type, and I'm not the world's best typer anyway. And you'll see I'm going to type a little bit extra. And what happened is my T got crowded out. But this is better than putting it to path and then finding out it's too long, because now you can get your shape tool and it appears right there, and your alignment guidelines kind of show up and just bring them in to your T fits. And it needs to go a little bit further. But now my alignment guidelines, and they don't show up all the time, it's just really when you're moving, or at the very end of the text and the very start of the text. So that can be some help there. Anyway, so instead of having that line and trying to fit some text to it, and I misspelled path there, you can type it out and see if it fits. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.